Hey animal lovers and curious minds, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever caught yourself wondering what those fascinating creatures around us are really trying to tell us with their unique sounds and quirky behaviors? Picture this. A world where every chirp, growl, and wag has its own story to tell, a hidden language we're just beginning to decode. Today, we're diving headfirst into the enchanting realm of animal communication, peeling back the layers to reveal how these incredible beings actually talk to each other. So buckle up and get ready, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey through the secret language of the animal kingdom, uncovering mysteries that will make you see our furry, feathered, and scaly friends in a whole new light. Number 1. The intricate dance of dolphin click and whistles. Dolphins are renowned for their complex and fascinating communication methods, which include a variety of clicks and whistles. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle that functions much like a name, helping individuals recognize one another within their pod. These intelligent marine mammals use different types of clicks for echolocation, helping them navigate and hunt in their underwater world. The complexity of dolphin communication is so advanced that some researchers even suggest they might have their own form of language. But it doesn't stop there. Dolphins also engage in a range of social interactions using these vocalizations. From playful behaviors to cooperative hunting strategies, their clicks and whistles are integral to maintaining the social bonds and dynamics within the pod. It's like they have their own secret underwater chat room, and we're just beginning to understand its depths. Keep watching, because we've got more mind-blowing animal communication secrets coming your way. Number 2. The honeybee's mysterious Morse code. Honeybees perform a fascinating dance to communicate with their hive mates, a behavior known as the waggle dance. This intricate dance tells other bees the direction and distance of food sources. By waggling their bodies and performing a series of movements, bees convey critical information about where to find nectar and pollen. The dance is so precise that it allows bees to navigate over vast distances and through various environmental conditions. The waggle dance is just one example of how bees use movement and body language to share essential survival information. This complex form of communication is vital for the hive's success and efficiency, demonstrating just how sophisticated insect interactions can be. Imagine the hive as a bustling hub of activity where every waggle matters. It's like a choreographed routine that ensures the colony thrives. Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into more incredible animal communication methods that will blow your mind. Number 3. The secret signals of elephants' low-frequency rumbles. Elephants use low-frequency rumbles, known as infrasound, to communicate over long distances. These low-frequency sounds are below the range of human hearing but can travel several kilometers through the ground and air. Elephants use these rumbles for various purposes, including coordinating movements within herds, signaling alarm calls, and even finding mates. The vibrations created by these sounds can be felt through the ground, allowing elephants to communicate even when they're not directly visible to one another. Beyond their rumbles, elephants also use body language and trunk gestures to convey messages within their herd. The combination of vocalizations and physical signals creates a rich tapestry of communication that is essential for maintaining social bonds and navigating their environment. Elephants are truly the masters of long-distance communication and subtle signals, making their social interactions incredibly sophisticated. But hold on, because we've got even more astonishing examples of animal communication coming up next. Number 4. The complex calls of birds, more than just singing. Birds are often known for their beautiful songs, but their vocalizations are much more complex than just pleasant melodies. Many bird species use a combination of calls and songs to communicate with one another. These calls can signify everything from territory boundaries and mating calls to alarm signals and social interactions. For example, some birds have specific calls that can warn their flock of predators or alert others to the presence of food. Birds also have an impressive ability to mimic sounds from their environment, including human speech. This mimicry is not only a form of communication but also a way for birds to integrate into their surroundings and interact with other species. Their diverse range of vocalizations and their capacity to adapt their calls make bird communication a fascinating field of study. Stick around, because the next example of animal communication is truly extraordinary. Number 5. The subtle signals of cat and body language. Cats are famous for their purring, but did you know that this sound serves multiple purposes? While purring is often associated with contentment, cats also purr when they are in pain, stressed, or seeking comfort. The frequency of a cat's purr can have a calming effect and even promote healing. In addition to purring, cats use a variety of body language signals, such as tail positions and ear movements, to communicate their emotions and intentions. Understanding a cat's subtle signals can enhance your bond with them and help you respond appropriately to their needs. Whether it's a gentle nudge or a specific meow, cats have their own unique ways of expressing themselves. Observing these cues can provide insight into your feline friend's state of mind and well-being. Ready for more? Our next segment reveals another remarkable aspect of animal communication that you won't want to miss. Number 6. The bat's remarkable echolocation. Bats are incredible navigators thanks to their use of echolocation, a form of sonar that allows them to see in the dark. By emitting high-frequency sound waves and listening to the echoes that bounce back, bats can detect objects, navigate their surroundings, and hunt for prey. This sophisticated communication method enables bats to operate effectively in complete darkness and is crucial for their survival. Echolocation is not only used for hunting but also for social interactions among bats. They use specific calls to communicate with one another, coordinate activities, and establish territory. The precision of their echolocation system is a testament to the incredible adaptations of these nocturnal creatures. And if you think bats are fascinating, just wait, our next segment will reveal even more amazing animal communication secrets. Number 7. The enigmatic language of whales, songs and calls. Whales are known for their deep, resonant calls and songs, which they use for various forms of communication. The complex songs of humpback whales, for example, can last for hours and are thought to play a role in mating rituals and social interactions. These underwater melodies can travel vast distances across the ocean, allowing whales to communicate with each other even when separated by great distances. Each whale species has its own unique vocalizations, and researchers are still working to fully understand the meanings behind these calls. The richness of whale communication is a reminder of the complexity of life beneath the waves. But don't go away, our next segment will dive into another incredible example of how animals communicate in ways that might just surprise you. Number 8. The clever communication of octopuses. The clever communication of octopuses. Octopuses are masters of disguise and communication, using color changes and skin textures to convey messages. They can change the color and pattern of their skin to blend into their surroundings, signal aggression, or attract mates. This dynamic form of communication is controlled by specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores, which allow them to display a stunning range of colors and patterns. Beyond color changes, octopuses also use body language, such as arm movements and posture, to interact with other octopuses and navigate their environment. Their ability to communicate through both visual and physical signals highlights their remarkable intelligence and adaptability. The octopus is truly a chameleon of the sea, with communication methods that are as fascinating as they are effective. Stay tuned, because our final segment will showcase one last extraordinary example of how animals express themselves in the wild. Number 9. The silent signals of snakes, infrared communication. Some snakes use infrared sensing to detect and communicate with their environment. Pit vipers, for example, have specialized heat-sensing organs that allow them to see the body heat of their prey and rivals. This ability helps them hunt and navigate in complete darkness, using thermal images rather than visual cues. Infrared communication is not just about hunting, it also plays a role in social interactions and territory disputes among snakes. By detecting heat signatures, snakes can assess the presence and location of other snakes, which can influence their behavior and interactions. The silent, yet highly effective, communication of snakes showcases the diversity of animal senses and how they adapt to their environments. Ready for more? Our next segment will delve into another amazing method of animal communication that's sure to captivate you. Number 10. The art of ant communication, chemical signals. Ants communicate primarily through chemical signals known as pheromones. These chemical messages help ants coordinate activities, find food, and alert the colony to danger. Each pheromone serves a specific purpose. from marking trails to signaling alarm, and ants use these chemical cues to maintain order and efficiency within their colony. The ability to convey complex information through pheromones is essential for the survival and organization of ant colonies. By following chemical trails and responding to pheromone signals, ants work together seamlessly to accomplish tasks and support their community. This form of communication is a testament to the intricate social structures and teamwork within the ant world. Stick around, because we're wrapping up with one final, jaw-dropping example of animal communication that you won't want to miss. Number 11. The secret language of prairie dogs. Prairie dogs have a sophisticated system of vocal communication that includes a variety of distinct sounds. Their calls can convey specific information about predators, food sources, and even the size and shape of the threat. Each call is nuanced and can vary in pitch and frequency, allowing prairie dogs to deliver precise messages to their colony members. These vocalizations are more complex than previously thought, with some researchers comparing them to a form of rudimentary language. The level of detail and specificity in prairie dog communication highlights their intelligence and social structure. Imagine a whole colony communicating with intricate sounds. It's like their own little language of the prairie. And don't go away just yet. Our final segment will reveal one more incredible way animals communicate that you'll definitely want to see. Number 12. The whimsical world of squirrel communication. Squirrels use a range of vocalizations and tail flicks to communicate with each other, especially when it comes to warning of danger. Their high-pitched calls can alert other squirrels to predators or potential threats, while tail flicks can serve as visual signals to coordinate movements. Squirrels are also known to use specific calls for different types of danger, such as aerial predators versus ground threats. These vocal and physical signals are crucial for survival and help maintain the social dynamics within squirrel communities. Observing how squirrels use their voices and tails to convey messages adds an extra layer of fascination to their already intriguing behaviors. Stay tuned, because our next example will explore another amazing communication method in the animal kingdom that will surely captivate your attention. Number 13. The intriguing signals of sea turtles. Sea turtles use a variety of signals to communicate, both in the water and on land. During mating season, males and females engage in a range of vocalizations and physical interactions to establish their bond. On their nesting beaches, female turtles use specific movements and sounds to attract mates and find suitable nesting sites. The communication methods of sea turtles are adapted to their aquatic environment, with some signals only effective underwater. Their behaviors during mating and nesting highlight the intricate ways in which they navigate their life cycle. The next animals will dive into yet another remarkable aspect of animal communication that you won't want to miss. Number 14. The masterful communication of meerkats. Meerkats are known for their highly organized social structure and sophisticated communication methods. They use a variety of vocalizations to coordinate group activities, warn of predators, and communicate with each other. Each call has a specific purpose, from alarm calls that signal danger to contact calls that help members stay connected. Their communication is vital for maintaining the cohesion and survival of the group. Meerkats' ability to relay detailed information through their vocalizations and behaviors showcases their social intelligence and adaptability. But hang tight, because we're about to reveal one final, awe-inspiring example of animal communication that will leave you amazed. Number 15. The horse's unique communication. Horses are fascinating creatures, especially when it comes to how they communicate. You might think they just neigh and whinny, but their communication goes way beyond that. Horses are incredibly expressive with their body language. For example, did you know that a horse's ears can tell you exactly how they're feeling? If their ears are perked forward, they're curious or alert. If their ears are pinned back, watch out, that's a sign they're annoyed or even angry. And if their ears are swiveling all over the place, they're trying to figure out what's going on around them. It's almost like they're having a full conversation just by moving their ears. On the flip side, if a horse swishes its tail rapidly or stomps its feet, it's showing frustration or discomfort. Even the way they stand can tell you something, whether they're relaxed or on edge. It's amazing how tuned in they are to their environment and to each other, and once you start paying attention, it's like unlocking a secret language. And that's a wrap on our exhilarating journey through the secret language of animals. From the mesmerizing clicks of dolphins to the thunderous rumbles of elephants, it's truly astonishing to see the myriad ways animals communicate and connect in ways we're just starting to grasp. Isn't it amazing to think about all the untold stories and hidden messages happening right around us? If you loved diving into these incredible communication methods as much as we did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest videos. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and here's to discovering even more mind-blowing wonders of the animal kingdom together.